Hello, welcome back to another lecture. In this lecture, we are going to be learning about the loft feature by designing this part. So let's start a new part file. Click OK. The unit is in inch. So we'll start by drawing the circle. So on the top plane, start a sketch. Let's draw a circle. The dimension is saying that the radius is 2.5. So let's give it a diameter of 5. And accept the sketch. The next thing we are going to do is create a plane that is coming down 5. So under the feature tab, reference geometry, click this drop down arrow and we want to create a plane. So select the plane. The first reference plane is asking you what plane do you want to use as a reference. So you can click on this drop down arrow and we want to use our top plane as a reference because we are extruding the plane down a distance of 5. So you have the options here. The diameter, we'll type in 5. We want to extrude it in the other direction, so we will flip the offset. Then we will click OK. And that's how you create a new plane other than the plane that was given to you. Then next, we want to draw the rectangle on that plane. So select your plane 1, select sketch, number 2. Gonna move it. Maybe zoom out a little bit, move it. Then let's draw a center rectangle. Starting at the origin point, drag it out. The height is 6. And the width is 8. And we would accept that sketch. So let's see what we have. So I'm just going to move it this way. You can see what we have. We have one sketch, which is a circle, another sketch, which is a rectangle. So we can right click on our plane 1, and click the eyeball to hide it because we don't need it. So now to create the loft, come to your feature, Lofted boss. We will select our profile, which is this circle and that rectangle. And that is pretty much how you create a loft. Then you will select OK. And that is how a loft works. So you pretty much transitioning from one sketch profile to another. Thank you, and I will see you in the next lecture. Bye.